Rotations in pharmacy school happen in the 4th year. The first 3 years is time spent learning how to communicate with other healthcare professionals. It's time spent learning the disease states and the medications. We have 2 IPI rotations during those 3 years, but in our 4th year, the entire year is spent going to different sites where we're able to practice the skills that we've learned in the classroom. Really helps to drive a lot of that information home.
Manchester really stands out as an institution of learning for me because I have been in another pharmacy school which is not Manchester. I feel very prepared coming into this first rotation. A lot of resources were already given to me in the classroom. I just feel great about my learning experience at Manchester.
Coming into this rotation, I wasn't sure what to expect because this is a hospital. And here I have shadowed nurses, I have been in the lab downstairs. A lot of the stuff that I do with patients is I go into their room, I counsel them on the new medications that they have been started on. Here in the hospital, you see the side effects more than what you would in the community setting also, because they're here in the bed and you actually get to talk to them and see it in person.
My main goals this year are to learn as much as I can. Next month I'll be doing a community pharmacy rotation. After that, I get to spend a month in an ATU clinic, which again is something we learned a lot about in school, but it'll actually be my first time in that type of setting, and I'm really looking forward to that. The preceptor I'm with right now, including my first 2 rotations, he's my 3rd preceptor, and all 3 of them have been completely supportive. They answer every question I ask of them. Each situation is different, and each preceptor is different, so it's very important to have an open mind and be receptive to learning as much as you can.
Fort Wayne is the 2nd largest city in Indiana. That being said, there's lots of opportunities, lots of pharmacies, there's lots of hospitals. A prospective student should choose Manchester if they want a smaller class size, if they want to get to know their professors very well. And there are a lot of opportunities to connect and make sure you get the best education possible.
My sets of rotations, I'm really excited for them, and I look forward to all of them because they really fall in line with what I would love to do after school. I didn't just get thrown into the world like I don't even fit here, but I talked to my preceptor, I talked to Dr. T, I talked to everybody in the experiential team. Manchester has worked with my schedule as a mom of 3 young children. So I am really glad to be where I am today. My future is really going to be beautiful, and I'm really hopeful and excited for what's coming next.